Panalo ang Minnesota Lynx kontra sa New York Liberty sa overtime 95-93 para makuha ang Game 1 ng 2024 WNBA Finals. Yan ang ulat ni Daryl Oclares.
Sa pamamagitan ng isang come-from-behind 95-93 overtime win, pinadapa ng Minnesota Lynx ang New York Liberty sa harap ng kanilang home crowd upang angkinin ang Game 1 ng 2024 WNBA Finals. Butas ng karayom ang pinagdaanan ng Minnesota na matyagang binura ang kalamangan ng Liberty na umabot pa sa 18 puntos. Pagtungtong ng fourth quarter, nagpakawala ang Lynx ng 14-2 run upang mapababa sa tatlo ang bentay ng New York sa score na 83-80. Nalasap ng Minnesota ang unang kalamangan sa Game 1 kasunod ng 4-point play ni Courtney Williams sa natitirang 6 na segundo ng regulation. May pagkakataon sana ang home team na makuha ang panalo sa fourth quarter matapos na ma-foul si Breanna Stewart. Subalit isang free throw lamang ang kanyang naipasok na sapat para pwersahin ang overtime. Sa huling tagpo ng OT, tabla sa 93 ang parehong kupunan na agad binasag ni 2024 Defensive Player of the Year na Fisa Collier matapos niyang maipukol ang game-winning fadeaway jumper. Nakapagtala si Collier ng kabuuang 21 points, 8 rebounds at 2 assists, samantalang nag-ambag si Williams ng 23 markers at tig-5 boards at dimes.
I think just taking it one possession at a time. You know, we've been in situations where we've been down before, and that's when we really got to lean on our defense. So that was something we were talking about, getting 3 stops in a row, you know, chipping at it a little bit at a time, not thinking about the point difference, but thinking about the possession that we need to get a stop and then a score.
Binigyang papuri naman ni Minnesota head coach Cheryl Vive ang hindi pagsuko ng kanyang kupunan.
I think it defines our team in terms of being able to get through difficult times. You know, that's what we say. We've been talking about all these interviews we've been given. So we're talking about is, you know, you have to be mentally tough, resilient. You have to look inward and not blame other people, and give each other confidence. And we were that team.
Malalaman sa Game 2 sa Lunes kung makapagposte ba ng 2-0 lead ang Minnesota o makabawi ang New York. Daryl Oclares para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.